Just finished up the install on the 2016 Audi A3 for CarPlay. We'll come around to the front of the vehicle. As you can see, CarPlay will be on there. To go in and out of the menu, we can press and hold the back button here. This will go to the original car. I can press and hold again. It will return to your CarPlay unit. Obviously, I can use the scrolling pad, which will be down here, as the dial to rotate through different features. We have Spotify available here. We can skip tracks by just toggling. And we can also go to your maps, which will be on here. We've got Waze available. So it will give you your 3 most recently used apps on the side, one for phone calls and messaging, one for music and one for maps.